Grande Americano with steamed coconut milk, and I added 1 pump of sugar-free cinnamon dulce and 1 pump of the pumpkin syrup. I got a Grande iced coffee, no classic, like a splash of coconut milk instead of almond milk, just because I'm allergic to almonds. You definitely can do almond milk as long as it's not dairy, then it works. You want to do 1 pump of the pumpkin sauce, 1 of the sugar-free vanilla, and then on the top a little bit of extra pumpkin seasoning just to give you like that spice, and then the cinnamon. I'm just waiting right now to train, so I'm going to keep drinking this. Now, let's say hi. Hi, Vicky. We're talking about pumpkin spice lattes.